We always use makeup when we are preparing for a special day. But imagine that you start doing something regularly that will always make you look special no matter what the day is. I'm talking about a simple skincare routine like Barva's Home Spa Kit. Face wash every day, exfoliate once or twice a week, and moisturizer daily. This routine will improve the overall health of your skin, make it softer, reduce signs of aging and other skin concerns, to the extent that when it's time to look extra special for a wedding or a festive occasion, you can use minimal makeup. The same thing goes for hair. Start with a routine of oiling your hair once a week with the Almond Pomegranate Oil before washing it off with the Revitalizing Shampoo and then applying the Natural Nourishing Conditioner. You will not have to worry about ever having a bad hair day.